Hello guys, bonjour, bonsoir. This video will be a lock extension update on a lock extension client. A lot of you guys asked for that in the comments. I may not be able to reply right away, but I do read your comments and I'm giving it to you guys. So this was an install done by me, handmade Dxlynlocs. Will be installed into this client's hair. As you can see, she has a lot of hair and it was long hair. She tried out the wrap lock extensions that did not work for her, and I may explain why in a future video, but this is pretty much what her results were after we installed the locks. Half of the length is actually her hair. I didn't really take away her length. I utilized it to give her even more length than the locks that were made. So her hair was washed that day immediately. And this is actually her second appointment, her follow-up appointment, to make sure everything looks good. So this is, I believe, 7 to 8 weeks later, I think. 7 to 8 weeks later, somewhere around there. And we're giving her favorite style again. It is the 2-strand twist. They look so good. I just love doing these. I love seeing the transformations. I love seeing how good they look on people. It's just beautiful. All right, and remember, this is not a tutorial, so please don't say how you didn't show how to do it. I have several videos on this channel on how I attach lock extensions, so you can go back and search. I also have a playlist that is titled lock extensions. You can go look at that as well and see how I attach them. This is purely an update on a client. I did not post the install video for her, but I thought I would update on her results. She has 120 small locks in the color 1B. Her hair is more so a 2. However, she didn't mind the color blend, and if she ever feels the need to blend it further, she can dye these locks. She can lighten them, she can darken them. It's really up to her. That's what I love about these locks. But yes, that is it for this update, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.